All right, so hey there. Let's get you Unreal Engine 4. Type in Unreal Engine and then go to unrealengine.com. Download. We want the creator's license and it'll start downloading. Once the installer is downloaded, let's run it and then follow the instructions to install the Epic Games launcher. So in launching the launcher, you might have to make an account, but one way or another, you have to sign in. I have an Epic Games account. If you have ever played Fortnite, then you probably also have an Epic Games account. Alright, on the left, look for Unreal Engine. And then at the top, we're going to go to Library. Here is where you can see the installed versions of the engine you have. You probably don't have any. I already have 4.25. What you're going to do is click this plus button, and then you're going to install 4.25, whatever the most recent update is. Click the install button, and start downloading. This is going to be a really big download, so you probably have to wait, in some cases, hours. Once you've got 4.25 and it says launch, you can click the launch button to launch the Unreal Engine. Alright, we're going to make a new game. Click next, and we'll make it a first-person shooter. Click next. Blueprint, maximum quality, ray tracing, desktop, no starter content. That's all great. Desktop, wherever you want it, and then what you want to name it. This will be starter project. And then click create project. If your screen looks like this, then you've successfully installed and launched the Unreal Engine. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.